In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Google Ads Performance Max if it's broken. If you've been experiencing issues and your campaigns aren't performing as expected, don't worry. We're going to walk through a few simple steps that should help you get back on track. So, let's dive right in. To begin, open your preferred web browser and head over to the Google Ads website. You'll see a large sign in button on the homepage, which is your starting point. Go ahead and click on that to access your account. Make sure you've got your login credentials ready, as you'll need to enter them to proceed. If you're not automatically taken to the Google Ads homepage after signing in, look for a button or link that says Home and click on it. This will bring you to your main dashboard where you can manage all of your campaigns. Next, on the navigation panel of your dashboard, you'll want to focus on audiences, keywords, and content. Click on this section as it contains the vital elements that could be impacting your campaign's performance. You might find that a simple adjustment here can resolve many issues. Now move on to the audiences tab within this section. This is where you can see the current audience segments linked to your ads. Sometimes your campaigns underperform simply because they're not reaching the right people. So it's key to review these settings carefully. Once you're in the Audiences tab, click on Add Audience Segments. This option lets you refine who sees your ads by adding new audience layers. Be strategic about the segments you select. You want to ensure that they align closely with your target demographic to optimize ad performance. It's always a good idea to reassess this regularly to adapt to changing consumer behaviors. Throughout this process, keep in mind that understanding your audience's behavior and preferences is crucial. Each segment you add can provide valuable insights into what your potential customers are looking for, helping you to fine-tune your approach beyond just fixing immediate issues. And there you have it. With these few adjustments, your Google Ads Performance Max campaigns should be back on the path to greatness. Remember, keeping an eye on these settings regularly will help you maintain optimal performance and avoid future hiccups. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more valuable tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I wish you great success with your Google Ads campaigns.